And what up, guys? It's fucking shitface Mary Bear here, and today's gonna be a shitty fucking vlog because look at the fucking day. It's ugly as fuck, and let's see what comes up. So right now we're about to go to my friend Danny's house right now. Oh yeah, there's Salvo right here. Oh, fuck! See you the fuck later, man. Oh shit. Nah, bro, are you fucking lying, bro? Cause I'm trying to get my ass beat.
I'm not whooping for real. Go back.
We're gonna check this out. Well, already starting the vlog with an extreme shit. What the fuck? Look at this. Look at that shit, bro.
Let's go.
A fucking Christmas tree, bro.
Go check out the fucking dog.
Hold up, alright. Come over here, pussy. Hold up, I'm gonna get on top of this shit. Oh shit, he's not fucking lying. There's a fucking dog right there. Oh shit, that shit's looking at me, bro.
He's like, what the fuck?
That shit looking at me, bro.
Just put it down there.
Oh, you gotta be fucking with me. I'm not trying to fucking get my ass teared up, bro.
Remember, that's the dog that I told you about.
Alright, fuck it.
Some yellow shit.
Ooh. Oh, what the fuck? Come on. Look, I'm fucking dead ass. I'm dead ass scared, bruh. Look at that shit. What? That nigga tweaking. That shit better not run up on me, though. Oh shit, that nigga. Ooh, better not come. What the fuck is he doing? Alright, well, that dog don't fucking bite. Nigga, I was fucking scared though, my nigga. Imagine if that nigga bit my ass. Ooh, that shit would fucking hurt, bro. Oh, fuck my hat. Really? Really? Really, nigga? Fucking hate this type of fucking weather. Just fucking hate it. Look at me, Saucy has fucking tags. Anyway, as I'm doing this fucking vlog, I'm gonna tell you guys how I live, how's life as a tomboy. It's actually pretty fucking lit. Like, you can wear whatever the fuck you want, the baggiest shit you want. Like, look at me, bro. Like, I do not give no fucks what people think I am. Some people might think I'm a fucking dyke. I say, fuck you. I'm gone. And like fucking, what's it called? Stairs are hell fucking tired. Bruh, come on. They call me a dyke and shit. Like, that shit's fucked up, bro. Like, you don't even know me, bro. Dude, bro, and throughout 2016, like when I went to school, like these ugly ass bitches, bro. 3 ugly ass motherfucking lesbians, bruh. They asked me, I was all like, see you later. Bye-bye. Bitch, you ugly. Nobody wants you, and plus I ain't lesbian. Like, I hate it when niggas just assume shit. Damn, that stairs got me fucked up.
I know, I'm already tired.
Alright, we at this nigga's house. Knock on the door.
It better be here.
Shit, I don't know about you, but those stairs got me fucked up.
Fuck y'all. Is Danny
Hello.
here? Yeah, he's sleeping.
Oh, bro, he's
Can I wake
sleeping.
that nigga up? Because we're doing a vlog. Danny!
Wake that nigga up.
Come on. Let's go. Wake him up. Hey, come on. Let's go vlog this nigga.
Hold on, let me take off my shoes. Take off my shoes.
Right there.
Hola.
That nigga slumped.
Bruh. Wake him up.
That's how he wakes up. What are you doing? That nigga can sleep for hours.
Dad, wake up.
What did he do? Huh? We stayed up for like 4 in the morning. Yeah, it was up all night.
I slept at 1. Come on, we out.
No, I'm traveling. Put the camera away.
We're vlogging. I need my eye. Oh shit, my eye, bro. My eye.
Oh, fucking balls.
Come on, we out. Alright.
I'll just go vlog him brushing his teeth real quick.
How to get fresh and clean. Oh, and I forgot to mention this in the beginning of the video. I dyed my hair red and I cut the other side.
What's that?
Who the fuck is this? Y'all is hella gay, whoever you are. See you later. Again with these fucking stairs, bruh. And I gotta carry this fucking scooter too. Oh, fuck. Finally. Almost fucking there. Fuck no. Alright. We're here. Entrance to heaven. Psych, nigga, it's a parking lot. Get on. Yeah. Oh shit, you almost hit me. Damn, bro. Where should we go first?
Just go like near the boxes and shit.
So you really got a map?
Yes, I do. So we won't get lost.
And welcome back, we're cooking with shitface here. Now today we're gonna make something special for y'all. And it's gonna be great, it's gonna be really, really good. Let me season up this bitch. Let's put that to the side.
Let's
see, there's no goddamn food in this house, bro. We ain't got shit. Oh shit. We ain't got nothing, bro. Yes, this clear bottle would have to do.
Shit first, no, man. What you doing, man?
What you doing, mate? Okay, that ain't working.
What else can you fucking do?
I'm trying to look for something, guys. Damn, if this was my house, fuck no. See you later. Yeah. Ooh, we got some champagne over here. Mmm, delicious.
Welcome to our house.
Some of
Shit,
that.
that's my bad. She's really funny.
Let me get a cup.
It's very unsee-through.
Here, baby, I'll drink it with you. No, that's what I'm right. Now we're gonna do some accents.
Thank you, my mate.
There's literally nothing in here that I can fucking use. If you guys enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up. That was the gayest fucking vlog I ever made. So, I mean, it's the first one too, so if it sucks, I understand. And this is only part 1. If you want to see part 2, it's gonna be on my cousin's channel over here. So go subscribe to him at Saucy Rooster. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel, and hugs and fist bumps.